Be honest with yourself right now. You've been learning English for years. You understand most things when you watch videos or read, but when it's time to speak, the words just don't come out smoothly.
You know grammar, you have vocabulary, but real fluency still feels far away.
That gap between understanding English and actually speaking it confidently. That's exactly what we're fixing today. We're not just giving quick tips. We're going deep into the real reasons why most learners stay stuck for years, and how you can finally break through in 2026.
So grab a pen and paper. This is not just another lesson. It's a real conversation that can change how you learn English forever.
Let's start with the first big reason. You were taught to pass exams, not to speak.
Think back to school or coaching classes. You spent years memorizing grammar rules, learning all the tenses and writing long essays, just to get good marks.
But almost no one ever asked you to speak English naturally. No one made you describe your day or share your opinion.
Now imagine this. You meet a new person and they ask, "How long have you been learning English?" Or, "What do you like to do in your free time?" You understand the question perfectly. You've studied it before, but suddenly your mind goes completely blank.
Not because you're bad at English, but because you never practiced speaking it in real situations. Reason number 2, fear of making mistakes.
Imagine you're in an important meeting at work or just chatting with friends. You know exactly what you want to say.
But your heart starts beating faster. Your mind starts whispering, "What if I make a grammar mistake? What if they think I'm not smart?"
So instead of speaking up, you stay silent. Later that night, you think, "I knew the answer. Why didn't I say anything?"
This fear is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck for years.
Here's the truth. No one becomes fluent without making hundreds of mistakes.
Let's move to reason 3, the translation trap.
You think everything in your native language first, then try to translate word by word into English.
So instead of simply saying, "I'm very tired today," your brain translates, and you say, "Today I am having very tiredness." People understand you, but it sounds unnatural, and it makes speaking feel exhausting.
Your brain is doing double work, thinking and translating at the same time.
The solution: start thinking in simple English. Short, natural sentences are powerful. Reason number 4, too much input, not enough output.
You watch English videos, Netflix, podcasts. That's great for listening.
But be honest, how much do you actually speak English every day?
Most learners spend 90% of their time consuming content and only 10% producing it.
Fluency is built by speaking, not just by watching. Quick question for you. How many minutes did you actually speak English yesterday?
Be honest. Not watching, not listening. Only speaking.
Simple rule. For every 20 minutes you listen, speak for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Pause the video and explain what you heard in your own words. Now here's where it gets interesting. Reason 5, perfectionism.
You keep waiting for the perfect moment. When your English feels good enough before you speak,
but that perfect moment never arrives.
think about a child learning to walk. They fall again and again. They don't wait to be perfect.
You have to speak imperfect English many times before you can speak fluently. Let's build on that. Number 6. Using the wrong methods.
You do grammar exercises and vocabulary lists every day.
But real English is not about rules on paper. It's about communication.
You can know 2,000 words, but if you can't tell a simple story about your day or express your opinion, those words don't help you in real life.
Start practicing real communication. Tell stories, share what you think, describe your feelings. And this next reason is very common. Reason 7. Lack of consistency.
You study hard for a few days, then stop for a week, or you do a long session on Sunday, but nothing the rest of the week.
That pattern doesn't build fluency. Real progress comes from small daily habits.
Even 15 minutes every single day is far more powerful than 2 hours once a week.
And the final reason, mindset.
You keep telling yourself, English is very difficult, or I'm not good at languages.
Your brain starts believing it. If you believe it's hard, your brain makes it hard.
Start changing your inner voice. Tell yourself, I'm improving every day. And I can do this.
Your mindset shapes your results more than you think. Let me say something very clearly. Fluency is not a mystery. It's a system.
It's not about talent. It's about consistent practice and the right habits.
You are not behind. You are not too old. You are just using the wrong approach. Let's make 2026 your breakthrough year.
Step 1. Shadowing, 15 minutes every day.
Step 2. Speak every day, even if you're alone. Record voice notes about your day. This is where most people fail. They learn, but they don't speak.
Step 3. Find safe practice spaces, friends, language apps, or even talking to yourself.
Step 4. Change your input. Watch with subtitles, then try without.
Step 5. Track effort, not perfection. Celebrate showing up. Let's practice together right now. I had a busy day today. I met someone interesting. I want to improve my English this year. I'm proud of myself for trying.
If you're serious about fluency, don't just watch this. Start today.
Type. Start in the comments. That's your commitment.
Which reason matched your situation the most?
And what is one small change you will make starting today?
You are closer to fluency than you think.
Share this with one friend who needs motivation.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
See you in the next lesson. Keep going.